Hello everyone, welcome back to Max Cooking. In this video, I am solving a problem related to bilinear transformation. Let us find a bilinear transformation which maps I1 minus 1 onto 1, 0, infinity respectively. So we have to find a bilinear transformation or a Mobius transformation which maps these points in Z plane to these 3 points in W plane. So we use the concept of cross ratio to solve this problem. So we know what is cross ratio for points. That means cross ratio Z1, Z2, Z3, Z4. This is equal to Z1 minus Z3 divided by Z1 minus Z4 into Z2 minus Z4 divided by Z2 minus Z4. This is cross ratio of 4 points. Now we know that cross ratio is invariant under transformation. So, cross ratio of Z plane for points in Z plane equal to cross ratio for points in W planes. That means it's mapping points W1, W2, W3, W4. So, we want to show that is we want to find the bilinear transformation which maps I1 minus 1 onto 1, 0, infinity. I1 minus 1 in Z plane onto 1, 0, infinity in W plane. So, cross ratio is invariant under transformation. So, we have to use the formula of cross ratio. That is Z1 minus Z3. Z3 means here this is Z2, Z3 and Z4. Z3 is 1, Z1 minus 1 divided by Z1 minus Z4. Z4 is minus 1, so plus 1 into Z2 minus Z4. That is I minus minus 1. I plus 1 divided by I minus 1. And which is equal to, this is W1 minus W3 is 0 divided by W1 minus W4. W1 minus infinity into W2 1 minus infinity divided by 1 minus 0. So, here infinity is a point. That means if we had a point of infinity, so the cross ratio is W1 minus W3 divided by W1 minus W4 into W2 minus W4 divided by W2 minus W3. If you have infinity in these points, infinity is one of a point in W plane. So, that means here, sorry, this is W4. Here W4 is infinity. So, divide these term by W4 minus 1 into this is W2 by W4 minus 1, W2 minus W3. So, this is when we put infinity to W4, this term becomes 0. This is 0 and this term becomes 0. So, we have minus 1, only minus 1 left here. So, minus 1 cancelled. So, the term with infinity is cancelled each other. That means the infinity term is not there in this step. That means here we have 1 by infinity minus 1 and W1 by infinity minus 1. That this term is 0, this term is 0. That means anything divided by infinity is 0. So, this is minus 1, minus 1. So, infinity term is cancelled. So, the term left is W1 divided by 1. That means W1. Or we can use W here. There's no need for W1. W is enough. Z is enough, not need of Z1. Okay. So, this is Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1. This is I plus 1 by I minus 1 which is equal to W. So, this is the transformation W required. So, we want to simplify this term so that the bilinear transformation is always in the form AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D with AD minus BC not equal to 0. So, we have to convert these term in this form. So, the term 1 plus I by this is I minus 1. Let's take this term as minus outside and this is 1 minus I. That means this is minus 1 minus I divided by 1 minus I. Let's multiply with the conjugate 1 plus I divided by 1 minus I. So this is minus of 1 plus I, this is 1 plus I, so minus of 1 plus I square divided by 1 minus I into, 1 plus I, 1 minus I into 1 plus I is a minus b is a plus b is a square minus b square, that is 1 square, and this is also 1. I square is minus 1, so 1 plus 1. So what we get? Minus of 1 plus I all square is 1. I square is minus 1 plus 2I divided by 2. So what we get? Minus 2I divided by 2 means minus I. So this is minus I. Z minus 1 divided by Z plus 1 into minus I, which is equal to W. That means W is equal to minus I into Z minus 1 by Z plus 1. And this is in this form. AZ plus B divided by CZ plus D, and AD minus BC is obviously non-zero. So this is the required bilinear transformation which maps I1 minus 1 in Z plane onto 1 0 infinity in W plane. Hope you understand this. Thank you.